What's up, guys? Welcome back to Operation Empty Wasteland. Last episode we managed to get into Vault 3, I believe, and or that just had to get some ammo. So we came to Vault 3, I'm pretty sure. Vault 22, my bad. And we stumbled around looking for the way through. We ended up finding a key card to open that cave door. So we're gonna be using the sturdy Caravan shotgun today. I actually want to change slug rounds. Okay, we'll use those for a bit. So we're just gonna continue on through here then.
One hour later.
Wait. This is it. Maybe she just doesn't come unless you do the mission. And the mission I do not have. Okay. Well. At least I know. I now know. I guess. Yeah, there's not really anything I can do then. Okay, well, at least that puts me fucking peace of mind. What the fuck do I got out of here? Fuck, only took me 16 minutes. Okay, let's get out of here and we'll actually do something. Okay, so from here we can go. Jeez, what were we doing? We did that Silver Peak mine. We didn't do the bootleggers yet, but let's do this, then we'll do this, then this. Jacobstown might be a problem. Right now we'll deal with Silver Peak mine. Welcome to the Bighorn. Jeez. Growing big over here. Switch our ammo type. Slugs. Fucking empty. Oh geez, here we go. Oh yeah, lovely. There better be fucking people in here, let me tell you. There's abandoned upstairs and outside, so I don't really know what's gonna be down here. Maybe ghouls, if we're lucky. Nothing. Damn, that's a fucking shame. What about over here? We're not gonna have all duds tonight, are we? What do we got? Cazadors. Oh, farts. Oh man, this will be interesting. Watch me struggle. What? Where's all my AP, man? Cazador venom fucking deplete AP? Oh fuck. Holy shit, they're pushing me back, man. Yeah, no, we have no AP whatsoever. Fuck me, dude. Okay, let's get some anti-venom. Items, no, items! Aid, anti-venom. There's another one. Little piece of shit. Fuck you. Good God. Douche. Yeah, I'm still taking more. He got me with one hit, eh? That's a frickin' shame. Great, so how do we get down there in the first fucking place? There we go. Holy shit. I don't know what there would be left to do down here because that was a fucking death trap. Oh, great. Of course there's more. fuckers. Yeah, they take my AP out right away. That's a shame. No! Holy shit. Come on. Fuck, we have the worst ammo imaginable for this fucking scenario. Come on. Jeez, did I get it? Oh no. What the hell happened there? Fuck. Okay. We're good. Just 2 left, I think. You bitch. Fuck off. There we go. Thank you. Jeez, okay, let's get some anti-venom. Damn. Alright, let's get out of here. Fuck that. Pretty sure that was all of them anyway. Holy crap, that took too long. Can't go anywhere else now. Oh shit, we're lost. Wait. This way? Okay, up is good. Up is good. Come on, baby, give me the money. Awesome. Alright, let's get out of here. Okay, so when we come back, sorry for the crap episode, but fuck, man. We're gonna go to Charleston Cave. We're getting close. We're gonna finish New Vegas. After finishing up these places here, we're gonna go to New Vegas, clear out Freeside. We're gonna clear out the Strip, and then one by one, we're gonna clear out the casinos, and then we will go to the DLC areas one after another. I just have to remember where each of them are. Probably gonna start with Old World Blues because that's the one that fucking I know the best. I've done it so many times. Anywho, till we come back, like, subscribe, stay safe, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode.